Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with our next chapter, chapter 3, trigonometric functions. So, children, the very first topic is measurement of angles. An angle can be measured in two ways, in degrees and in radians. In junior classes, you have read that an angle is measured in degrees, but here we will learn that an angle can be measured in two ways. There are two ways to measure an angle, in degrees, and the symbol of degree is this. In radians, the symbol of radian is this superscript C, right? Or you will simply put RAD. Means if it is 60 degree, you know that 60 degree. And if it is radian, you will write 60 RAD or 60 C. Superscript, this power will be C. Clear? So, these are the two ways to measure an angle. Now, what is the relation between degree and radian? 180 degree is equal to pi radian. You have to remember this relation, that if an angle is in degrees, it will be 180 degree, and that 180 degree will be equal to how many radians? Pi radians. Clear? Now, next is how to convert degree into radians and radian into degrees. So, firstly, you have to convert degree into radians. Suppose there is one question. Suppose you have to convert 240 degree into radians. Then what will you do? You will use this relation. You will apply simply unitary method. 180 degree is pi radian. So 1 degree will be equal to pi by 180, and 240 degree will be equal to pi by 180 into 240. This pi will remain as pi. Clear? So 240 degree will come out 4 pi by 3 radians. Clear? Next is minus 47 degree 30 minutes. Again you have to convert it into radians. So firstly, this minus symbol will remain minus up to the end of question. Clear? Now it is 30 minutes. Firstly, you will convert this minute into degrees. There is one formula that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. If 60 minute is equal to 1 degree, then 30 minute will be equal to half degree. So it will be minus 47 degree and it will be half degree. So minus 47 and half is minus 95 by 2 degree. Means you have to convert this degree into radians. Again, you will apply what? This conversion formula. 180 degree pi radian, 1 degree pi by 180, and 95 by 2 is 19 pi by 72. So, minus 95 by 2 degree is equal to minus 19 pi by 72 radians. Clear? Means whenever you have to convert degree into radians, you have to simply apply the unitary method. And you have to use the relation 180 degree equal to pi radian. Next is how to convert radians into degrees. Suppose 5 pi by 3 radians is given and you have to convert it into degrees. Then how will you convert? In place of pi, you will simply write 180. You will simply write 180 degree. So 5 into 180 by 3. Clear? Because pi will be equal to 180 na. So 5 by 3 into 180. So it will be 300 degrees. Now second is, suppose you have to convert 11 by 16 radians into degrees. This is very important and you have to understand it very carefully. How will you convert 11 by 16 radians into degrees? You know that pi radian is 180 degree. So 1 radian will be equal to 180 by pi. So 11 by 16 radian will be equal to 180 by pi into 11 by 16. Now in place of this pi, you will put 22 by 7. So you will cancel, you will convert it into the lowest fraction. So it will be 315 by 8 degree. Now if you want to change it into degree, minute and second, what will you do? You will divide 315 by 8. So when you will divide, your quotient will be 39. So these are complete degrees, 39 degrees. And what is left? 3 by 8. it will be what? 3 by 8. Clear? So it will be 3 by 8 degree will be left. This will be left. Now you have to convert it into minutes. So you will multiply this by 60. When you will multiply it by 60, you will get 45 by 2. So it will be 45 by 2. 45 by 2 again, it is what? Minute. You will convert 45 by 2. So it will be 22 minutes and half will be left. Now you will convert into second. So again multiply this by 60. So you will get 30. So finally you will get 39 degree, 22 minutes and 30 seconds. So whenever you have to convert radian into degrees and your answer is in fraction, then you have to convert it into degree, minute and seconds. Clear? So this is how to convert an angle from radian into degrees and degrees into radians. Thank you.